over 95 pips. I actually sent this over to my VIP students, which they were able to profit, but wanted to show you how you can catch these exact same trades to be able to catch these sniper entries. So with that being said, guys, if you're new to the family, welcome. My name is Pedro. I do Forex trading. I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job to go all in on Forex. So if that is you, if you're looking to trade Forex, or maybe you're a beginner, you've come to the right place. So welcome to La Familia. Make sure you guys smash the like button as well and leave a comment. Introduce yourself. Would love to get to know you. Yeah, let's get started. OddCAD, what did I see? As you guys could see, if we go up to the higher time frames, as you guys know, always important. I was looking at the 4-hour time frame. So I noticed one or two things. I really noticed that we had a huge impulse to the upside. We actually came to this major area of resistance. I'm going to show you in a second over here. If you look to the left hand side, you guys could see that this was an area that price had respected in the past multiple times. Okay, so if we look over here, you saw a little bit of traffic there and so on and so on. I'm sure if you go way back, you could probably see a lot more how price respected this area of support and resistance. So it was a significant area of structure where price had respected in the past. And so I knew, again, we weren't looking at this at the 30-minute, the 15-minute, or better yet, the 5-minute time frame. However, we looked at it at the higher time frame, like the 4-hour. These are levels that you want to look at when it comes to price coming to an area of support or resistance. And so obviously I saw that huge impulse. I said, okay, well, if we have the impulse, we got to get a pullback, right? Price has got to pull back, give us some sort of a rejection back down. Obviously, I'll be quite frank with you guys. I was only mainly really targeting kind of this area over here, which you can see over here. However, I did say that if it does break below this area, it could continue going down even further. And as you guys could see, this trade on its own was actually a trade well above. If we take a look here, so it was about well above. If we look at it, give me 1 second. So the risk reward for this trade was actually well above 4.6 risk reward ratio, but we were only risking about 20 pips, guys. And look at that, only risking 20 pips, we were able to profit over 95 pips. Like I said, I personally took my profits this morning when I woke up. So I took this last night, sent it out to my VIP students last night, and then when I woke up in the morning at 6 a.m, I saw that price was kind of dangling here a little bit. You can see over here, this candle over here at 6 a.m, and I took my profits at about 48 pips, guys. And again, that's all you really need technically, guys. If you think about it, there's traders that really just need 15, 20 pips a day and they're good, right? Obviously, I have a larger account. I've got my 100K funded account with Rocket 21, and I also have a 200K account that I'm also looking to potentially merge over, which I just started that challenge on the 200K one. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys the journey. Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to share every step of that journey on getting that account, that challenge funded in the process. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want me to actually show you guys everything and kind of vlog through the process, and that way we can kind of might be able to help you guys and see how I look at the markets and stuff. So anyways, what I noticed was that price came up to this area, so you guys could see it was a 4-hour area. I did mark it off, and I was anticipating a pullback. So we saw strong momentum impulse. I knew most likely price was going to give me some sort of a pullback. And so where we always like to mark off our areas, if I look to the left here on the 1-hour time frame, you can see that over here we have resistance. It's an area of structure, and not only that, it's actually a weekly and daily area of structure, which is really significant. So I knew most likely it was going to stall out at this area. And so not only that, my moving average was way down here over here. If you look at it down here at this area, and it was pulling up. So I was like, okay, on the 1-hour time frame, I always like to look at my moving average and what is it doing, right? Most likely when we get an impulse like this, price likes to tend back and pull back. It's like a magnet. It likes to attract itself back to the moving average. And this, if you guys are wondering, is my 50 EMA average, moving average. I can do a video on it if you guys want and show you kind of my settings and stuff like that. But yeah, and so I knew it was going to pull back. And not only that, I saw we had this beautiful doji candle. If you look at it here on the 1-hour time frame, we have a beautiful doji, and then we had a bearish engulfing candle. I got in here at this entry here on the pullback of the next candle over here. We had this bearish engulfing candle, and then this bullish candle came in. That was just the retest, and that's when I put my entries, set my stops above the resistance area. And as you guys can see, price went exactly as expected. And I'll show you kind of how it looked like before all of this even happened. If I were to do the replay, you guys could see this is kind of what I saw when price was literally just starting to form this sort of price action. So look at the moving average, guys. Literally what I was telling you guys earlier, as you guys could see, look at this. Moving average was slowly creeping up. However, look how far away price was from the moving average. I'm not saying necessarily price will always be close to the moving average, but most likely what you want to focus on, especially when we get huge impulses like this, we want price to give us some sort of an exhaustion. We want price to pull back to our certain key areas of resistance and support. And so this is our next weekly and daily area of support. So I knew most likely it was probably going to pull back to that area, right? And as you guys saw, beautiful 4.6 risk reward ratio trade setup that went in our favor. And this is a great example, guys. And I actually have another video for you guys on another trade that I took on CAD JPY, which we're gonna go over that as well. So keep an eye out on that next video as well. And if you enjoyed this video, guys, smash the like button, leave a comment for me, guys, if you're new. And if you want to join my VIP inner circle, guys, you guys are more than welcome to. I share my trade ideas with my trading view links and everything. We do live Zoom calls with my students. So if you're interested in that, the link is in the video description below. Also, for those that are asking, because I got people always asking me what broker I use Blueberry Markets. They are a regulated Australian broker. You can, the link is in the video description as well. So if you guys want to get that, you can, and there's a sign up bonus with my link. All right, guys, thank you so much. Have a blessed day and God bless. Bye for now.